This is assignment 2 for central limit theorem with Hunter, Marcelo, Roberto, Sakaki, and Kevin. What is central limit theorem? It is states that the distribution of sample variables approximate to normal distribution as the sample size becomes larger, assuming that all samples are identical in size and regardless of the population's actual distribution shape.
So what we're solving is if the mean number of years between asbestos exposure and death is found to be 25 years with a standard deviation of 7 years in a particular county, what is the probability that the mean number of years between asbestos exposure and death will be between 22 and 28 years in a sample of 50 people taken from that community?
So then we go ahead and find the standard error of the mean, and we find that that is about 0.99 with a standard deviation of 7 years in a sample of 50 people.
So we use the z-score to determine the standard deviation, how far it is from the mean. So we use the equation z equals x bar minus mu. And here we get z-scores of negative 3.03 and 3.03. And then once we have those z-scores, we could see the area under the curve. So you just look for the z, 3.0 and then 0.03.
So we're able to find the difference to determine the probability that the mean lies between 22 and 28 years. The probability as it pertains to the one that is 28, we subtract from it the 1.4, the mean of 22. And from that, we get a 0.9976, which translates to a 99.76 probability that the mean number of years from asbestos exposure to death will be between 22 to 28 years.